welcome to Programming School. Today I'm going to discuss about HackerRank. This is online coding platform and it is very useful here. Okay, I'm going to discuss about what are the features of HackerRank. I'm going to explain each and everything about HackerRank. Okay, first of all, we have to login into HackerRank. Just simply we have to type HackerRank. Just simply I'm going to type HackerRank like this, and the first one hackerrank.com. Just click on this and click on login or sign up. You are going to be developers. You have to click for developers here. You click on login here. This is going to be sign in page and this is going to be login page. If you have already a Gmail account is there, just simply click on Gmail and sign up for the first time. Okay, then after that just log in with Gmail again. Just simply it is asking your Gmail account, and you can log in into HackerRank account. There is no need to external registration or anything. There is no external registration or anything. Just you want to log in into that. If you have already a Gmail account, just click on the Gmail here. If you have a GitHub account, LinkedIn account, Facebook account, by using of these four we can connect directly. Okay, and there is a home page like this, and here there are four options are there. First one is practice, certification, compete, and jobs and leadership. In the practice, first of all I'm going to discuss about practice here. Okay, if you observe here, all these are the skills are available for the practice here. Algorithms, data structures, mathematics means that is also a computer science. Okay, C++, Java, and all these are going to be for available for practice. And the tutorials, interview preparation kit, learn to code in 30 days, 10 days of statistics, 10 days of JavaScript, and all these are going to be the tutorials. Okay, for example, if you observe here, the programming languages are C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby. These are the programming languages. For example, if I click on C here, just observe here, the subdomains are there, and there are so many programs on that. And there is some easy, medium, hard questions for every program, for every subdomains. For example, if I click on introduction here, then I'm going to click on easy, and all these are going to be easy programs. And here some questions are going to be solved and some questions are going to be unsolved here. You can check like this. Okay, then it is if you are going to solve any problem, it is going to be give some star rating here. Some star rating we can click on, we can share this star rating in a LinkedIn, Facebook, and any social media platform here. And this is also skills of C basic and C intermediate. In every language it is going to be give. For example, if I'm going to for C++, and introduction, strings, and these are the subdomains of that. And for every subdomain there is some set of problems are there. If you solve that, definitely you got a star like this. Okay, if you are moving into Python, there are so many subdomains are there. Okay, here also it is going to be give a star rating. For everything it is going to be give a star rating here. There are so many things. And SQL databases, this one is also there. We can just observe the subdomains like this. If I click on basic join, all these queries are going to be, you have to write a query on that. For example, if you click on this challenge, then you are going to select what MySQL, Oracle, what language you are going to select, and you can write the query like this here. Okay, based on the question you are going to write on that. And this is about practice. And the main important thing of the practice I'm going to tell you in the last. Then moving into the certification, very important one this is going to be. If you click on certification, just observe here, it is providing so many certifications there. Just observe here, C# basic, CSS, Go intermediate, Go basic, and everything, problem solving, React basic. So many things are going to be like this. If you cleared any certification, it is going to be view like this. All these are going to be solved by this. For example, if you click on like this, and it is going to be giving the certificate of you like this, and you can add this into the LinkedIn profile. Okay, and it is going to be provided nearly 15 to 20 certifications are there. Okay, then moving into compete, and there are so many competitions are there are so many competitions which are provided by the hacker rank. Currently there is a two competition. This is a undefined, definitely it is going to be every time it is going to be open, and these two are going to be the running competitions here. This is June 18th to June 18th to, it is going to be open from June 18th to June 21st, and it contains four questions. The duration is going to be 180 minutes. Okay, if you click on the just begin, and it is going to be here, and this is going to be, this is at June 25th. This competition is going to be at June 15th. Okay, this is about competitions here. In hacker rank, the competitions are very less, very few. Okay, I'm moving into job session. There are so many job openings here. There are so many job openings, and that is not for freshers. Always it is more preferred to the experienced candidates. More preferred to the experienced candidates. Here 6 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus. There are so many are there, and here it is going to be give that the hacker rank internship also is there. So many drives is there. Okay, and moving into the leaderboard, and where you are, for example, there are so many competitions, and so many practice is there. For example, if I click on Python, where is your rank, and everything is going to be in the leaderboard session. Okay, the most important thing and most useful thing is going to be practice for the students, no doubt about that. You have to be any two language, select any one language first of all, and you have to go for the 5 star. Okay, then immediately you have to go for the next one, that is going to be very good one in the hacker rank, that is going to be algorithms, that is comes under problem solving. Okay, this is the best in the hacker rank, no doubt about that. Okay, if you got 5 star in problem solving, then definitely you are a very good coder. Okay, please be focused on problem solving, everyone. Okay, after completing, after knowing of how to write a small logic on anything, just directly jump into the problem solving, and keep on practicing the problems. They are every at least 1 month they are going to be add some new questions also is there. Here just observe here, a problem solving intermediate, advanced and basic, and here the difficulty of easy, medium and hard. There are so many subdomains are there. Warm up, implementation, and for example, if I click on implementation, how many questions are there? Just observe here, how many questions are there, here in only one session. And the strings, sorting, and so many things in this category. This is the best, platform for the freshers, the students, especially the students who are in first year and second year. Please be focused on this problem solving, and try to get 5 star, and then if you go for the third year, try to get it for 6 star. Okay, this is the this is about HackerRank. And if you click on here, is going to be a profile. If you click on the profile, then everything what you done in the HackerRank, it is going to be displayed here like this. If you observe here this link, you can share this link into any of your friends, and you can keep on your resume or anything. This is an open link. If you open, if you go for any incognito mode, and if you share this link to your friends, it is going to be give you your total info about you. Okay, that's it for this video. I think hope you enjoy this one, and everyone just log in into the HackerRank, and please be practice programs and everything. If you like this video, just like it and share to your friends. Thank you guys.